What's the meaning of Channel Islands? Channel Islands. Channel Islands.
Channel Islands. Channel Islands. The Channel Islands refer to a group of islands located in the English Channel, off the coast of Normandy, France. These islands are a British Crown dependency and include two main islands, Jersey and Guernsey, as well as several smaller islands. The Channel Islands have a rich history and culture, with influences from both Britain and France. They are known for their picturesque scenery, mild climate, and unique blend of traditional and modern lifestyles. The economy is largely based on financial services, tourism, and agriculture. The Channel Islands are also renowned for their delicious seafood and dairy products.